Hello student, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to understood about the electromagnetic spectrum and their production method and their properties and uses. This is the spectrum observed by Maxwell, and after in 18th century X-ray are discovered by Rontgen, W.C. Rontgen. Then the spectrum is observed as there are seven uh, rays or waves observed in the electromagnetic wave spectrums, which are as follow. What is electromagnetic spectrum? So electromagnetic spectrum is a continuous arrangement or classification of EM wave according to their frequency or wavelengths. In this electromagnetic spectrum, the visible spectrum, the light which we see, is very small part of EM wave spectrum. Start from gamma rays, which is very smallest, which have very smallest wavelength, and the wavelength are shown in meter. Lambda in meter is 10 to the power minus 14 meter to 10 to the power 4 meter. After that long waves are starts. Now first is gamma ray, range from 10 to the power minus 10 to the power minus 14 to 10 to the power minus 10. Then X-ray 10 to the power minus 12 to 10 to the power minus 8. Then UV rays, ultraviolet rays 10 to the power minus 8 to 10 to the power minus 6. Then after visible spectrum, then IR rays, infrared heat, which are 10 to the power minus 6 to 10 to the power minus 2. And then microwave, which are start from 10 to the power minus 4 to 10 to the power minus 2. Then last is radio waves, which are used for the communication system, start from 10 to the power minus 2 to 10 to the power minus 4. These are the waves. Now the wavelength range and frequency range and method of production and their properties and uses of various region of EM spectrum are summarized after this. First topic about the electromagnetic spectrum. Okay. Now we are take some properties and their wavelength range in such a way. First is gamma rays. Gamma rays, ओके स्टूडेंट, इसमें हमें 4 थिंग्स को रिमेंबर रखना है, डेट इज wavelength range. Then after frequency range. Then after production method. Then uses. And last one is property. Okay, these 5 things we have to remember about the property of the ray. Gamma ray will start from wavelength 10 to the power minus 14 to 10 to the power minus 10, and their frequency range is 3 into 10 to the power 22 to 3 into 10 to the power 18. Okay, then production method is transition of atomic nuclei and decaying of certain elementary particles. Okay, now next is uses. Uses, students, provide information about nuclear structure, or we say atomic structure. Of nuclei. Okay, next is properties. These are the properties of gamma rays. Copy all these property. important properties are first, second, third and fourth. Properties जो है इनकी, these are not usually asked by the board in your exams. So first four properties are very important, in which the production line and their frequency ranges. Okay, next is X-rays. Their wavelength start from 10 to the power minus 13 to 10 to the power minus 8. Okay, their frequency range is 10 to the power 21 to 10 to the power 16, and production of deceleration of transition of electron. Okay, by sudden deceleration of transition of electrons. और ठीक है, and uses are many cases में in science they are used to they are used to astronomical effects, and second in surgery or in medical. In medicals they are used in surgery, like to find the problems like cancer, etc. Next in engineering, and next one is in radiotherapy. In radiotherapy. Okay, therapy. These are some uses of X-rays. Next we have copy these. Okay, this is second one. Now is third, UV rays. Wavelengths, range, frequency range, production method, methods, and next is uses. Okay, these are the properties of UV rays and visible light. Copy these. Okay, these are the next properties or waves, fifth and sixth. Copy all these. Okay, next we have Okay, now these are the last two waves, radio waves and long waves, which are also known as long radio waves. Copy all these properties. In today we complete our fifth unit, electromagnetic waves. Okay, and this is a very most important unit. From this unit 3 or 4 marks question asked by the board in the exams. Thank you.